Hi everyone. Welcome to English in 3 minutes. Do you love spending time with friends? Maybe with no phones? Today, we're talking about something super fun and social. Board game night. Hey Mason, so glad we could get together at this cozy coffee shop.
Hi, Cretty. Me too. It's nice to chat. This place has a great vibe.
It does. So, Mason, tell me, do you like board games?
Oh, yes, I absolutely love them. They are one of my favorite hobbies. My friends and I try to play almost every week.
Really? That's fantastic. Every week? That sounds like a lot of fun. What kind of games do you usually play during your board game night?
We like many kinds, actually. We have a big collection. Sometimes we play longer strategy games like Settlers of Catan or Ticket to Ride. Other times we prefer quick, fun card games like Uno or Exploding Kittens. They are always a blast.
I totally know what you mean. Board games are such a good way to relax and disconnect. What do you like most about having these game nights with your friends?
Well, for me, it's really about the connection. We laugh so much, we talk about everything. And the best part is, no one is just looking at their phone. It's a nice, real break from all the screens. We really catch up.
Exactly. It's genuine interaction. It builds stronger friendships, I think. And you learn new things about your friends, too.
Yes, very true. We always have a blast. It's never boring. Sometimes the games get super exciting.
A blast is such a perfect way to describe a very fun time. I'll remember that one. Do you have any plans for a game night soon, like this weekend?
Oh, definitely. This Saturday we are all meeting at Mark's house. We plan to play Code Names. Have you ever played that one, Cretty?
Code Names. I've heard of it. My friends keep telling me about it. Is it easy to learn the rules?
Yes, it is. Very easy to understand, but also very clever and challenging. Maybe you should come and join us sometime, Cretty. You'd really like it.
Oh, that would be absolutely wonderful. I'd love to come. I really enjoy friendly competition and good company.
Great. I'll text you the details for Saturday.
Thank you so much, Mason. That sounds perfect. So, as you can hear, board game nights are a fantastic way to spend quality time with friends. How about you, our viewers? What's your favorite board game? Tell us in the comments below. See you next time for more English in 3 minutes.